The new edition of Time Zones helps teenagers communicate effectively in English and grow into successful global citizens. 21st century themes are supported by National Geographic content, images, and video. New listening and video activities featuring National Geographic explorers introduce relevant topics and ideas to spark discussion in English and challenge learners to think critically. Video lessons in every unit include clips from National Geographic and original footage shot especially for Time Zones.
My next stop was the islands of Palau. I dived with millions of jellyfish.
An all-new starter combo gives true beginners the necessary skills to make the most of classroom time. And updated technology support brings Time Zones to life for students and teachers. Through National Geographic content and enhanced support for students and teachers, Time Zones prepares teenagers for success in English, in the classroom, and in the world.